Hi everyone, Nate Kopic here from Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Limited. This one is Cordovan in color. To me it looks like sort of like a dark purple with a red metal flake in it. Got the park sense here in the front. The fog lights, adaptive cruise control, a couple of really nice features to have. That color is just beautiful in the sun. It's got real high red flake in it. Silver wheels. Again, this is the hybrid. This is where you plug it in at here. Got chrome trim on the mirrors, as well as turning signals, and parts to the 360 cameras that are built into these. It's really nice. You can see a full 360 view of the top of the vehicle while putting it in reverse. Inside here, looks like we have the premium Harman Kardon sound system. Sounds really good. Power options of locks, windows, mirrors. The mirrors are heated as well. We got power seats. Now these seats are premium black leather. They are heated and ventilated, keeping you cool in the summertime, warm in the winter. 8.4-inch touchscreen radio. It's going to allow you to do things like change your climate control, the heated and ventilated seats I mentioned earlier, anything to do with your phone, radio, satellite radio, things of that nature. Got your turn dial here, a little storage area, DVD system, pop you in a DVD right here, USB auxiliary ports. It's got a two-tone leather wrapped steering wheel. Got that white and black. There's some controls here to control things up on your dash. And the gauge cluster up there. You have voice recognition, also phone controls. Adaptive cruise control settings, allowing you to get closer and farther away. Also just your standard cruise control. On the back side of the steering wheel, we have a buttons on each side that's going to control things like presets and your radio's volume. Power sliding rear doors. Just literally pull it out. It does its own thing. Pretty handy feature. DVD system. The rear entertainment, real nice if you got kids or anything of that nature. Headphone port. HDMI, USB. Has the tri-pane windows up top here. Also got a little sunroof in the back. Dual climate control. You can control climate here in the rear. Now since this one is a hybrid, normally there would be stow and go underneath this rug. Now, this is where the battery goes on a hybrid. So what they have done is have quick release seats. So you can still take these seats out conveniently. You literally just pull up on the back and they're out. So it's still not a huge inconvenience, but you got the gas mileages there. Rear backup camera built right in here under the bumper. This is an automatic hatch as well. These rear seats are stow and go and can fold completely flat down in here. So quick release seats in the front, stow and go seating in the back. You get rid of those seats, you could easily fit a piece of drywall or something of that nature, if that gives you an aspect of how big this room is in here. At the push button to drop it back down. Really convenient features that they put on these Chrysler Pacificas. That color is just phenomenal. Again, this is a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Limited, stock number 28216T. My name is Nate Kopic. Stop in and see me today, or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Make sure you visit our website at sherrychrysler.com.